It all starts with when we're very little, if there's conflict in the family. Mothers had a hard time with delivery. Even before that, when the child is in the womb, if the mother is sad, angry, fearful, all of those things are absorbed by the fetus. Then the baby's born. And is it a natural birth? Was it a traumatic birth? Was it a forceps baby? Trauma, fear. Then what kind of, like, who's holding the baby? Who's loving the baby? As soon as the baby's born, did the mother pass away? Is she incapacitated immediately when the baby is born and there's no one to really hold that child and give it that first love? Now, FYI, as soon as the baby's born and you hold the baby and the mother looks at the baby's face and probably into the baby's eyes, is the first time the first root chakra, first of our chakras, the root chakra, fires up. That is the chakra that is responsible for our sense of security. And if it doesn't fire correctly, then it becomes a lifelong problem unless then we do chakra work. So you see how early, I'm not even going into the past life stuff. I'm just going to talk about this life. And the baby is a few minutes old. Look at how many points of fear creation we've already talked about. Then the baby goes home. Does the baby have jaundice or some other things? Is the baby going to be is a baby a preemie? All of that stuff. Then we go home. What is the home like? Is there conflict? The parents are fighting. Is there poverty? Is there war, right? Geopolitics plays a big role. All of those things begin to mold the child. We love the child, so we're constantly after the kid, telling him or her, don't touch this, don't do this. We're child-proofing the house. It's don't. Every don't puts fear. You're like touching, oh my God, PTSD, a version of it. And then life continues. The family we're born in, the culture we're born in, the country we're born in, there are a lot of similarities. We call it stereotype. I love stereotypes because I think they really exist. I'm an Indian. You'll be able to look at me and identify I'm an Indian, my skin color, my hair, maybe the way I talk. And if you know anything about Indian culture and you come to my house or you meet me somewhere, you'll probably know. And I'm not offended by it because I'm not taking that stereotyping as negative. I am an Indian and I'm proud of it. Like, there are Romanians here and there are people from, different parts of the world. And we do have similarities. And that's the beauty of a group of people.